Hi friends, in today's video, we are solving an interesting algebraic equation. The equation is x squared minus y squared equal to 64, where x and y are restricted to be natural numbers. Let me rewrite the equation. X squared minus y squared, you may write as x plus y multiplied by x minus y equal to 64. Since x and y are natural numbers, let me split the right side number as product of two natural numbers in whatever possible ways you can. The first one is 64 multiplied by 1. Next one 32 multiplied by 2. Then 16 multiplied by 4. And the last one 8 multiplied by 8. There are only 4 ways you can split the number 64 as product of two natural numbers. This method works, rather the method I am going to discuss will work because x, y being restricted to be natural numbers. Now let me equate the left side of the equation to each of these 4 different ways of splitting. By equating x plus y multiplied by x minus y to the first one, that is 64 multiplied by 1, what do you get? X plus y you can equate to 64 and x minus y will be equal to 1. Now let's solve this equation. You got two simple equations. Let me write this equation below the other one. Then to solve this equation, let's add these two equations. You get 2x, y will cancel out, and the right side will be 64 plus 1, which is 65. Now take 2 to the right side. What do you get? 65 by 2. See, this solution is not acceptable because it's a fraction. It's not an integer. Rather, it's not a positive integer, which is what the problem says x is. So this fails here. This equation fails to give the necessary solution we need. Now let me equate x plus y multiplied by x minus y to the second splitting. Let me write it here. X plus y equal to 32. Below that, let me write the other equation, which is x minus y equal to 2. Now by adding these two, you have 2x, y cancel, and the right side is 34. That implies x is equal to 34 by 2, which is 17. And that's a natural number, means positive integer. So this implies x equal to 17. Let me plug in x equal to 17 in the first equation, either in the first or in the second, to get y. Then you will have plus 17 plus y equal to 32. So y is equal to, take 17 to the right side, you will have 32 minus 17, which is equal to 15. So y also turns out to be a positive integer or a natural number. So both the solutions are acceptable, and the solution is, see, let me write x, y as a pair. X is equal to 17 and y is equal to 15. So we got one pair of solution corresponding to this being equated to 32 multiplied by 2. Now let me equate this to the third one, which is plus y equal to 16, and then x minus y equal to 4. Now let me add these two like we did before. You have 2x, y cancel, and the right side is 20, which implies x is equal to 20 by 2, and that's 10. Then let's plug in x equal to 10 here. So you have 10 plus y is equal to 16. That means y is equal to 16 minus 10, and that's equal to 6. And both these solutions are natural numbers, so it's a perfectly valid solution. Let me write those values under this. X is equal to 10 and y is equal to 6. This is the other solution. Now we got two solutions, rather two pairs of solutions. Now there is one more here, 8 multiplied by 8. Let me equate x plus y equal to 8, x minus y equal to 8. You can see some contradiction here. See, as long as x and y are positive integers, there is no question of sum being 8 and the difference being again 8. Ignoring this, if you are solving like we did before, you will be getting x as 8 and y will be 0. See, even after solving, what do you observe here? 8 is fine, which is a natural number, but y equal to 0 is not a natural number because natural numbers are positive integers beginning with 1. So this solution is not acceptable. So there ends all the natural number solutions we can possibly get from the given equation. And the solutions are these two. These are the final answer. These are the two pairs of solutions we got for the equation given to be solved. If you clearly understood the solution, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. If you feel like, share it with others also who might benefit from this. And please don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will be getting notifications of my subsequent videos. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.